So while waiting sa ating mga food, yan. Ano tayo natin mga pag-practice ngayon? Today is his 27th year birthday.
Ano, happy birthday?
Okay, birthday message mo na. Kaya no, take care Rico.
Ang kasi nakaano siya, Kanta daw muna. Kanta ba muna?
Baka magano na to.
Baka magano yun.
Happy birthday, Manong. Happy birthday, Manong. Happy birthday, dear Manong. Happy birthday, Manong.
What? Ano ba? Thank you.
I didn't know I was supposed to make a speech.
You don't know how, you don't know that you're making a speech, you have to.
Yan na lang sa ano, sa ibabaw.
Greetings. Happy birthday, Rico! Yay! Ang galing. Susunod.
Nami!
Namnam. Say happy birthday,
Tama,
Rico.
Si Namnam ay birthday.
Ihulog.
Nanay na, nanay.
Happy birthday sa pinsan na ang tagal ko, may long lost pinsan.
Long lost pinsan.
Oo, wala ka. Ang tagal namin hindi siya nakita. Ngayon lang namin siya nahanap ulit.
Ngayon sinatagpuan.
We missed him sorely very much. Sana hindi ka na tumangkad. Kaya we have a goal to achieve.
To maintain.
Maintain. Graduate. Good luck. Okay, baby.
Yeah, happy birthday. We're the same age now. You can't call me
You're caught up to her.
You're still Lola.
Anyway, you know, even if you guys go to US, you guys can still chat us up. It's possible.
It
But
is.
yeah, you know, I hope that we can still meet in 5 years or so. Nothing. 10 years is a long time, but you know, even if we can meet sooner, that's also nice. So yeah, congratulations, and yes, you're gonna graduate next year, and you're near the part where you earn your own money.
Welcome to capitalism.
Capitalism.
Welcome to wage
Happy
slaves.
birthday.
A wish?
You never have anything else.
Long life, happy, you know, what's the word? Like, you don't, yeah, what? Like, you do well in your future, like you and Jay, building your life together. You know, I know y'all are gonna do great. But you know, even if y'all feel like y'all get stuck or in any way, in any capacity, you know, you still have like me, Nana, Tata, Goya, Callie to lean on. You know, I'm gonna be in Ruston, so, and when you're gonna be in Ruston, I know that I have someone to lean on if I need help or if I just need like comforting or anything. I know that I have you there, and Jay, you know, so, happy birthday. Kelly.
Happy birthday. I feel like over the last 5 years, I kind of watched you grow up and move into different things and go to school and everything and meet Jay. And so I hope that y'all continue to be happy and live successful and happy lives.
Happy birthday, little girl.
What?
Little girl. Only 2 years younger than I am, but I know you'll graduate very soon. Hope to find a job right after, which I think you'll be able to. You and Jay will be happy wherever y'all end up, but just know wherever me and Callie go, you'll always be there to help you. Like when we helped you change your tire.
Ito si Coco.
Hindi ka follow up yun. fighting here. Ano mo kami? 1 minute only.
Okay. This is the favorite verse of Sophia. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not to your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him, and He shall direct you. So, I pray that as you continue to seek the Lord, to trust Him, and to depend on God, you will be successful in everything you do. God bless. Love you.
Thank you.
Love you.
Kuya Rico. Ang iyong family din sa Tipolo, we love you a lot. Happy birthday. It's a good thing na dito ka nag-celebrate yung 22nd birthday mo. Hindi namin ini-expect na it's a blessing na kasama. Nakakasama tayo. Ayun. Sinabi ni tita mo, trust in the Lord. Nothing is sure anak sa buhay. As what God has given sa amin, kapatid sa amin, God is more than able to give better things sa inyo, sa inyo kapatid. So, salamat sa Lord for everything blessing.
Ay, naku, my bebe.
One of my only
One
sons.
on my... Nakapa ko daw. Kasi si Kuya at saka si Mayos daw. So, two sibling.
Oh.